What happens when a historic dairy becomes a foodie paradise? Let's find out. If you're thinking of moving to Charlottesville, I want to share with you one of our local treasures, the Charlottesville Dairy Market. It's a vibrant food hall and marketplace housed in what was once the old Monticello Dairy. It all began in 1912 as the Monticello Ice Cream Company. In the 1930s, it became the Monticello Dairy. And the iconic building started in 1937. In recent years, this historic space has been transformed into a lively, modern marketplace, blending the old with the new. Today, Dairy Market is home to a diverse lineup of local food vendors, a craft brewery, specialty shops, and gathering spaces. It's a must-visit for residents and newcomers alike. Whether you're in the mood for gourmet ice cream, craft cocktails, or international cuisine, the Dairy Market has something for everyone. My name is Maury, and I've been a Charlottesville area realtor for over 30 years, and I actually do remember when it was the Monticello Dairy. Yes, I am that old. So instead of demolishing it, it's a true joy to see parts of the old structure renovated with new life inside. Come with me for a boots-on-the-ground tour of the Dairy Market. I'm going to let you experience the sights and the sounds all by yourself. I'd love to send you the smells and the aromas, but I don't have that kind of technology. Let's go on in and see what's cooking. My name is Maury, and I've helped home buyers and home sellers all around Charlottesville since 1990. If you're moving to the area, give me a call. Hey, maybe we'll stop into the dairy market and have an ice cream cone. Like maybe strawberry shortcake. Oh, yeah.